So now in this video we're going to look at some LEDs I got. These are 1 watt LEDs. You just apply 5 volts to them. They got a resistor on there and they light up. We got a heat sink back there. So I got 25 of them total for about 10 bucks. It's kind of tricky to break them off. I'll show you that in a little bit how I ended up doing that. So in any case, we got a couple pads here. That one says D+, that one says minus next to it. So I'm not applying it directly to the LED. There's a resistor on there because we can use 5 volts. And I'm going to make this connection while I'm looking at the camera because the LED is really bright right there. And we got over 200 milliamps of current flowing through it. So there's a resistor on there. We could go slightly lower with the voltage, no problem. So any case, as I said before, got 25 of these for $10 from Amazon. I'm sure they're probably cheaper somewhere else, but I like ordering from Amazon. And I'm not actually going to cut this joint right there. I can't cut through it. It's pretty tough. This one's not so tough. We don't have to worry about that one. But in any case, I got this, it is like scored right there. So I got the sharp part right there of the clippers where they connect. And I just wiggle back and forth. There we go. I felt it break. And so now I can just slide this one back and forth and it will pop up. But pretty straightforward. We got that resistor there to protect it from 5 volts. If you're using a higher voltage, you could just add some more series resistance to it. It's a 1 watt LED. We saw 5 volts. We had about a little more than 200 milliamps of current. So you would just make sure you add resistance so you don't exceed that amount of current. Pretty straightforward. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I posted on the screen. And check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.